Hello friends, this is Junaid Ali and today I am having a topic for you which is article. This is the most important topic in which most of the people are having the different kinds of confusions. So today we all are going to clear these confusions. In this video we are going to learn about articles. There are three kinds of articles which is a, an and the. How to pronounce a and the. A is pronounced as a, n is pronounced as n, and this most of the persons are confused how to pronounce the. The can be pronounced as the or the. So in this video we are going to learn this. Let's start. Articles. Firstly we have to see that what are the articles. Articles are the words which is used before and modifies the noun and function as adjectives. Let's understand about the kinds. There are two types of articles. First one is definite article, second one is called indefinite article, in which we can see the. It shows uniqueness or specific things. Let's talk about indefinite articles, in which we are seeing a and n. It shows the things is being said in general. When to use a or when to use n? Let's see. There are 26 letters we all are knowing, in which 5 vowels are here, which is A, E, I, O, U, and rest 21 are consonants, in which rest of the letters except A, E, I, O, U are consonants. Let's see if as we all know that if the first sound of the word, I am talking about the sound, if the first sound of the word is starting with vowel sound, so there we have to use an article, and if it is starting with a consonant sound, we have to use article a. Let us see some examples. A boy, it is starting with consonant sounds, that's why we are using a article here. A woman, a horse, a book. Let's talk about article an. An aunt, it is starting with vowel sound, that's why we are using here an article. An energy, an ice cream, an umbrella. Let's talk about some different kinds of articles in which we are not able to understand properly that where to use article a or where to use an, because sometimes it makes us confused. So I have a trick for you by which you can understand this betterly. We all are knowing about the Hindi swar, which is a to aha. We are knowing about it. So if you are having any kinds of confusions, like in university, it is starting with the vowels letter, but we are not getting understand that what to use before this. So we can see university, if we are writing in Hindi, so the first letter and the first sound we are getting ya, which is made by y in English letters. So that's why it is not a vowel, that's why we have to use here a article. Like this European, it is also making the sound of y, that's why this is a. In union also this is a. If we talk about article n, so it is starting MLA if we write in Hindi, and if we see that the first sound, so it is starting with a sound, and a is a vowel sound, that's why we will use here n. If we talk about honest, in this we are seeing that this is the consonant letter, but this is making the first, this is the silent letter and making the first sound as honest, o. So that's why we have to use here article n. If we talk about r, so it is also silent word which is not making hour, it is pronounced as our or r. So that's why we will use here n. So we can see that if we are writing in Hindi, यदि हम इसे हिंदी में लिखते हैं और इसका फर्स्ट लेटर हमें इन स्वर में से मिलता है, तो हमें वहाँ पर n का यूज़ करना है. Otherwise, rest of the words we can use article a. So this is the description about a or n. I hope you will be understanding this. Now we have the another important article, which is the. It is having so many kinds of conditions. So let's start. It is used with unique people or object. So which kind of unique peoples? It means is that which is only one on the earth, जो सिर्फ अर्थ पर या कहीं पर भी सिर्फ एक ही है, जो एक ही है, like sun, only one we are having. That's why the earth only one, the moon one, the president, the world. That's why these are the unique things, or the which is known as only one. Next we are talking about with adjectives referring to a whole group of people. As we talk like, और ये पूरे ग्रुप को रिफर करता है. लाइक इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एन एडजेक्टिव कि ओल्ड, सो ये पूरी ओल्ड कम्युनिटी को शो कर रहा है. इट इज नॉट शोइंग और इट इज नॉट इंडिकेटिंग ओनली द वन पर्सन. ये सभी को लिए बता रहा है दैट ओल्ड मीन्स ऑल द person or the whole group, for the whole group. Young, it means all the youngs. Rich, all the young, rich or the poor. So that's why we are using here article the. With famous building, museums and monuments like the Taj Mahal, it is the famous building. That's why we are using here article the. Next one is Qutub Minar, the Qutub Minar, the Lal Killa, the Eiffel Tower. Next we are talking about the superlative degree of an adjective. As we all know that there are three kinds of degree of adjective: positive, comparative and the superlative. So we have to understand that for the superlative degree we have to use only article the. Let's see. The highest, the most, the lowest, the youngest, the lowest, the oldest, etc. With ordinal numbers, which shows or which is an order, like last, first, second, third. This is called ordinal numbers. For the last chapters, this is the ordinal number. That's why we are using here article the. Next we talk about the first time, the third boy. Let's see the another conditions. With country's name, kindly understand, कंट्रीज़ के नेम के लिए हम दा का यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, बट कुछ ऐसी स्पेसिफिक कंडीशंस हैं यहाँ पर. द नेम्स ऑफ विच इंक्लूड्स किंगडम, स्टेट्स और रिपब्लिक. ऐसी कंट्री के नेम जो किंगडम, स्टेट्स या रिपब्लिक उनके कंट्रीज़ के नेम्स के साथ ऐड होता है, उनके साथ हमें आर्टिकल दा का यूज़ करना होता है. लाइक इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, इट इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ द कंट्रीज विच इज़ कॉल्ड यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. दैट्स वाई वी आर यूजिंग हियर आर्टिकल द. Let's talk about the United Kingdom. It is also like that, the United Kingdom, the Republic of Ireland, and etc. With countries that have plural names, जिनके plurals name है, ऐसी countries के name जिनके names plural है, like Netherlands, the Netherlands, Philippines, the Philippines, etc. Next, we are having the condition with rivers, canals or oceans name. Here we are having some names of the rivers like the Ganga, the Nile, the Atlantic, the Pacific, etc. in which we are having the names of rivers, canals or oceans. The next condition is here in which we see with the names of families like the Ranas, the Khans, the Guptas. Before only also we use article the, but there is a condition. वहाँ पे only का मीनिंग इकलौता ही होना चाहिए. इट मीन्स बाय द एग्जाम्पल वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस. द ओनली सन, इट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली द वन सन, और एक इकलौते की बात हो रही है. दैट्स वाई वी कैन सी वी आर यूजिंग द आर्टिकल द हेयर. द ओनली फ्रेंड, इट मीन्स इकलौता फ्रेंड, द ओनली पर्सन, एटसेट्रा. नेक्स्ट कंडीशन इज हेयर विद द नेम्स ऑफ एपिक्स. इट मीन्स ग्रंथ लाइक द रामायण, द कुरान, द बाइबल. Next and the most important condition, in which most of the peoples can be confused for the certain things. What type of certain things are here? I have an example for you. I saw a dog. For the dog, I am using here a article because I was not knowing that dog before. But now in the next sentence, I am talking about that dog only. मैं उसी डॉग के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ और दैट विल बी सर्टेन नाउ. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग हियर आर्टिकल द. द डॉग वॉज हंग्री. आई सॉ अ डॉग, द डॉग वॉज हंग्री. इट मीन्स इज दैट कि हम जिस चीज़ के बारे में, स्पेसिफिक चीज़ उसी चीज़ के बारे में उसको इंडिकेट करके बात कर रहे हो, सो हमें उसके आगे आर्टिकल द का यूज़ करना है. लाइक इट मीन्स इज दैट इन सम एग्जाम्पल्स वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड. मैं ऐसी किसी बुक के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ जो मुझे चाहिए थी. सो आई विल से दैट आई फाउंड द बुक विच आई वॉज सर्चिंग. इट मीन्स कि मैं जिस बुक को ढूंढ रहा था वो मुझे मिल चुकी है. और इन अनदर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन सी दैट आई हैव अ बुक. इट मीन्स मेरे पास एक बुक है. बुक के लिए हमने पहले द यूज़ करे, बट नाउ वी आर यूजिंग अ बिकॉज दैट वॉज नॉट सर्टेन. और हम किसी बुक को इंडिकेट करके या पर्सनल उसको सर्टेन मानकर बात नहीं कर रहे थे. सो दिस वॉज द थिंग. नाउ लेट्स सी what are the differences and what is the correct pronunciation of the. It is the or the. So both the pronunciation we can use, but there is a condition. जो कंडीशन हमने ए और एन के लिए देखे थे, लाइक कि जहाँ वॉवल साउंड हो वहाँ पे हमें एन का यूज़ करना होता था, और जहाँ पे वो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड होता था वहाँ हमें ए का यूज़ करना होता था. यदि द के बाद कोई भी वॉवल साउंड्स आता है तो वहाँ पे उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन चेंज हो जाता है एज दी. लाइक द एप्पल, द एंड. यदि द के बाद आने वाले वर्ड का फर्स्ट साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट है, देन इट विल बी द बुक, द बॉय. सो आई होप you might have understood this. There are some condition in which we are not to use the. जहाँ हम द का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं वो कंडीशन हम देखते हैं. So let's see in which before the name of a disease, किसी भी बीमारी के नाम के पहले हम द का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. Before the name of a language, किसी लैंग्वेज के नाम के पहले हम द का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. Before a proper noun, before any proper noun there is no use, or there we can't use the article. Before the name of a country, किसी भी कंट्री के नाम के आगे हम द का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. एक्सेप्शंस हैव ऑलरेडी बीन टॉट. जो एक्सेप्शन हमने देख चुके हैं उनके अलावा किसी भी कंट्रीज, लाइक वी कांट यूज़ article the before India, before England, because these countries are not having that conditions which we have seen. Before the word breakfast, lunch and dinner. And one more condition is there, before the hospitals or the schools we can't use article the. I hope you might have understood this. Kindly learn and understand it again. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.